Are you seeing the error message, "An update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone"? This issue can arise due to outdated carrier settings, iOS bugs, or misconfigured network settings. This guide provides effective solutions to fix this error and restore cellular data functionality on your iPhone. So let's get started. Solution 1. Refresh your mobile network. Open Settings on your iPhone. Toggle Airplane Mode on. Wait for a few seconds, then toggle it off. This will refresh your network connection. Solution 2. Updating to the latest iOS version can resolve compatibility issues. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Then tap Software Updates. If an update is available, tap Download and install. After updating, restart your iPhone and test the cellular data. Solution 3. Reinsert SIM card. Removing and reinserting your SIM card can resolve network issues. Power off your iPhone. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to eject the SIM card tray. Remove the SIM card, wait a few seconds, then reinsert it. Power your iPhone back on and check your issues. Solution 4. Enable 4G or 5G on voice and data settings. Make sure your iPhone is set to use 5G for voice and data. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Cellular. Tap on Cellular Data Options. Tap on Voice and Data. Select 3G, 4G, or 5G on for both voice and data and see what happens. Solution 5. Turn on and turn off network selection. Updating your carrier settings can resolve connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Cellular or Mobile Service. Tap Network Selection. Turn off Automatic. Wait for a moment. Select your SIM name. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 6. Reset network settings. Resetting your network settings can fix connectivity issues. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note: this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. Solution 7. Contact your carrier. If the issue persists, contact your carrier to check if there are any issues with your account or plan that may require updates or further troubleshooting. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "An update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone" error and regain access to cellular data. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more troubleshooting tips, and stay tuned for the next video.